Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation 5 error code CE-108255-1 when there's an error with your game application. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So to fix this error, Sony actually recommends that you reinstall the game. So if I go over one of my games and press options on it, and then go on down to delete, and then go to OK, I'm going to delete it completely off my PlayStation, then go on over to the game library, and then go over to my collection right here on top, and I can go to the sort by option, go to most recent or A to Z, and then I can find the game under here very easily. And then simply reinstall it back to your PlayStation 5 by selecting it, and then go to the PlayStation 5 or PS4 version, go to download. Now another thing that we could try is going to settings, and then going on down to where it says save data and game app settings right here, and go to game presets and go to the right and try just putting on performance mode over resolution mode. Maybe this will actually help the game run a little bit better and it won't crash on you. Also, if we back out here and then go up to screen and view and then go on down to 4K video transfer rate, try putting -1 or -2 on here, especially if you're using 120 Hz for your refresh rate. Now let's go ahead and press the PlayStation button and then go to the power option and completely turn off our PS5. Close all games and apps and turn off your PS5. Now we're going to launch our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu, and it has to be completely turned off so there's no light on the light bar over here. And locate the power button and hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will hear one beep initially and then you will hear another beep. Then go ahead and let go and your PS5 will launch into the safe mode menu. But to operate this menu, we need to plug in our controller with a USB cable just like this. Then plug it into the controller. And when it lights up, press the PlayStation button and you'll be able to use the D-pad now to operate the safe mode menu. So let's press this. Now under this menu, we can do 3 things that could possibly help. We can go to option number 5, clear cache or rebuild database. Go to clear system software cache, and this will be equivalent to unplugging your PlayStation 5 from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So try that. Then go on down to option number 2, rebuild database. If you are having any kind of like copying or installing issues, this should go ahead and fix it with your solid state drive. It says it may take a few hours, but my experience only takes like 5 minutes to go ahead and do this process. Now let's back out of here, and we can go up to option number 3, update system software, and go to update using internet and just get a fresh copy of the operating system for the PlayStation 5. Since this is most likely software related, probably specifically for the game, so you might actually have to wait for an update from the game developers to actually fix the specific issue that you're having. But hopefully one of these tips did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.